Okay, chapter 11, that's helix, and we're looking at an auger today, so that's on page 107. So let's look at the rules. If it's a vertical one or if it lies horizontal, the rules are clearly bottom to top. If you work from bottom to top, you will have either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So they don't speak about clockwise or anti-clockwise, they speak about left and right-handed. So from bottom up means, or if you work from left to right, then from which also basically means bottom up, then you will have left-handed as clockwise, right? Left-handed as clockwise. And if you work from top down, which is basically from right to left, then right-handed means clockwise. But we will all figure it out as we work our way through this example here. Okay, so let's hear what we have to say here. In the given is the front view and left view of the shaft of an auger, and then there's a reference point. Let's go to that point. There it is, front view and the side view there. Okay, so there's your point A. That is 36 and 22 in the middle. Those two you can draw with your circle template, and then you would basically just move this slightly away here, or you can any distance away, and then you can draw this one side. Now this section here and that section there of 21 each, that's your axle. So the actual drawing of the auger is going to take place in this space over there, right? So these are two axles on the side. All right. Here it says clockwise direction, right-handed turning direction. If you work from this that way or that way, okay? Which we'll look at them from top to bottom, right? And the number of same directions as the direction of rotation. So we will talk about this once we go into our drawing. So you can redraw that for me in that space, starting with the reference point that you have there as O. Okay, let's see that you've drawn with your circle template, that you've drawn with your circle template, and then they speak about the outer diameter of 80. So you're going to have an outer diameter here of 80 as well, which is that circle over there, which means from that center you're going to go 40 40 radius, and you draw a circle there, which means 40 up and 40 down gives you that space. Then you mark A there, get your center lines, do your divisions, and then you draw that for me there as first. Okay, just that part there. Don't draw that part yet. Just this part here, and then we go back by saying the pitch, which is one turn, is going to be 35. Now you need to understand that 35 is one revolution, one turn, and within that turn you are going to have 12 spaces, right? And they say here that you must start at point A, draw to scale of 1. Scale 1 is to 1. They want 2 turns. So 2 turns is going to be 2 35s, which basically means it's 70. So 2 turns, 35 times 2, which is 70. And in each turn you're going to have 12 spaces, which is 12 within 135. So that's going to be 24 within the 70. All right, I hope you understand that. So let's recap. So in this space here, you're going to have 24 of these spaces here, which amounts to the 70 that we're going to have from there. That there being one turn of 35 and another turn of 35, and then you're going to draw this component of the axle that side as well. But don't draw this yet. First draw that, then you do your divisions here. 24 of these spaces, you can count it, and you say 70 divided by 24 gives you 29 point something. You round it off to 3, so each one of these blocks here will be 3 apart. And once you have your 24 blocks of 3, then you draw this part over there. Alright, then learners, you are going to draw the green lines across from those respective points, which are the points on the outside, right? It's green, so you're going to put that across. And then, that is your starting point over here. So now, this is going to be going in that direction, which is clockwise. So you're moving from left to right. Clockwise, that now means that it is right-handed. Right-handed means clockwise if you move from A that way. It would have been left-handed if you had moved from this side to this side. Okay, so that means, in other words, if that arrow points down, that plotting is going to go down first instead of up. Okay, so you plot there on the green points only, plot, plot, plot. So that's what you're going to have. You're going to plot, 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 and you're going to go right around, and you're going to draw a faint line, and it's going to end over there. So just draw a faint line first. Then you are going to work with these inside, not this one. This small circle refers to those axles. That is the inner diameter. So you're going to draw another set of lines from these points touching my divisions here, and we're looking at those pink lines that you see there. Can you see? And the middle line is a common one to both the pink and the green. And then you're going to start here again. You're only going to move on the pink dots here, one up every time. To check whether you are on the right track every time, you must check whether those 2 points are in line, and whether that is going to go through the center over there. That's your checking. So if you plot, 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 draw a line, plot, plot, plot till there, draw a line, plot, 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 draw a line, and so you're going to carry forth. And here, once again, you can check if those two are in line. You can check whether it goes through the middle, check whether that goes, and you're going to end off right there. Right, very important. And now, after that, we need to darken. You need to ensure that the pink section here, the pink section there is going to be the shaft. So if this moves, that line here moves in front first, and then it disappears and it comes out this side. In front first, till there, it disappears and it comes out there. The same here, appears clearly, disappears, appears right till there, disappears, and it comes out there, and eventually you're going to have that over there. So it appears till there and it disappears, comes out that side, right in front, disappears again. And you see here, it follows that pattern, and it comes out and it finishes off. And the same way we're going to have this line here, disappears, disappears. And then you connect that line to that point over there, that line goes to that point over there, this line comes to that point over there, that line goes to that point over there, and don't forget the little markers here, which are all in blue, which must be drawn dark. Okay, I hope you're going to complete this drawing for me, please. Thank you.